Exercise 4.1 we are in cubes and cube roots. We are in question number 5 where we completed a question already. Express the following as the sum of odd numbers, which means we have to write the formula n into n minus 1 plus 1 and we have to choose the value for n as the given question 1 and we have to find out the first addend. From that we need to list out the sum of that many odd numbers. Then to do the totaling and get the answer. This is what we completed on that day. 9 cube we completed. Question number A it was. Only two are there, A and B. Both I am doing. A1 over. Now B1. 11 power 3. 11 cube. So first to find the first addend. Similar questions are again there in one more thing that will be given to you. 8 cube and that one homework. What is that? 8 cube and 10 cube you have to do as a homework. Similar pattern. To find the first addend. For that we use the formula n into n minus 1 plus 1. This is the formula in case of cubes to find the first addend one, first number. So here, for this question, here n is equal to 11. Okay. So I need to substitute 11 into 11 minus 1 plus 1. Here n is equal to 11, so I am substituting 11 into 11 minus 1 is 10. I wrote 10 plus 1. 11 tens are 1, 11 ones are 11 and 1 0. 11 tens are 110 plus 1 is equal to, by adding 1 we get 111, 111. This is my first addend. I must start listing out my odd numbers from this number only. This is the rule for cubes to find. So to find the cubes using this formula, it means by listing out the sum of the odd numbers, right? 11 odd numbers we have to write starting from this number. Okay, so first formula I wrote here n is equal to 11. So 11 I substituted, I got the first addend. This is to find the first addend. Now I am going to list out. For that I need little bit place here. So erasing this question alone. The question is 11 cube. Now this is the first addend. So 11 cube is equal to, starting from this number, that's what we got this. I must list 11 odd numbers, only odd numbers, 111 plus 113. Leave 11 number and write, you will get 11 odd numbers. 115, 117, 119. I start here. 121, 123, 125, 127, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Still more, 129, 131. So up to 131. I stopped here. Why? Because I want 11 odd numbers only. 11 power 3 to start from this first addend, this number, and list out only the odd numbers. 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31. Everything 100 and something. Now if I add them, I will get the answer. Without multiplication to do. these things using formulas. Now, is equal to. Now, if we add this all this, I will get how 1 units place I am doing. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, glaring it is. 16 plus 9, 25, 26, 29, 34, 41, 50, 51, 1. Carried over 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, plus 2, 14, plus 2, 16, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 23, 3. Carried over 3. 23, 3 carried over 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 1, 3, 3, 1. So on adding these odd numbers, we got 11 power 3. Actually, 11 cube is 1331 only. When you multiply also same thing. 11 11s are 121, 121 11s are 1331. But we have to proceed this way because it is asked like that. To find the cube of the numbers using the formula of sum of odd numbers. Understood clearly? That day we did 9 cube, today we did 11 cube. Now let us pass on to the question number 6 now. This is over. 1 means right. For that only I didn't erase. Question number 6. Give 2 numbers for A such that A squared is equal to A cube. Very, very easy. I want 2 numbers for A such that when I do the squaring also, I must get the same answer. When I get the cubing of the numbers 3 times, when I multiply also, I must get the same thing. Now guess the numbers. What will be? If I take 3, 3 3s are, if A is 3, 3 3s are 9. If I take A3 here 3 times, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 1 is 9, 1 is 27. They cannot be equal. No, they are not equal. So 3, 4, 5, nothing is possible. What is possible? When we do the squaring, the answer, and for when we do the cubing also, we must get the same answer. Which number? It is possible, Fasil. Who told it is not possible? It is possible. For that only I am asking, guess the number. Not possible means I will say not possible and will finish off. It is possible. Yes, super. John Emil, correct. John Emil, correct. Both the answers correct. Kanishka, correct. Fazil, yes. If A equal to 0, think and see. If A equal to 0, good. So 0 squared is what? 0 into 0. What is 0 cube? 0 into 0 into 0. Okay. Anyway, the answers are 0. So A equal to 0 means yes. Okay. When we do, we will get the same answer for A squared and A cube. When A is equal to 1, what will happen? A squared is 1 into 1. Okay. What is A cube? 1 into 1 into 1. For no other number, it is like that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the numbers, when we do 2 times multiplication, it will have a less quantity. 3 times when we multiply, we will get the more big quantity. So always this number will be greater. But only for 0 and 1. So if A equal to 0, we get like this. A equal to 1 also. 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1. Don't write 1 into 1 into 1 as 3. Okay. So this and this. When A equal to 0 and 1, we get like this. This is the answer. So 0 and 1 are the numbers where we get A squared is equal to A power 3 when both are equal. No greater one, no lesser one. These are the two quantities. How means like this? We substitute. It's easy. Understood this clearly? So question number 5 over 6 over. The last sum of this exercise, question number 7. Question number 7, homework sum, this pattern. Homework sum is 4 sums are given. In these 4 sums, repeatedly they asked. It is asked in the exercise like this. Okay. This is question number 7. Question number 5. Question 5 we completed. These both are same questions. Now, question number 7 is find the following cubes without actual multiplication. Without actual multiplication means finding the thing. Fazil, it's a homework sum. Wait, what I'm telling, listen. In this 8 cube, 9 cube, 11 cube, 10 cube, we completed. This was a classwork. 9 cube, 11 cube finished. 9 cube over. 11 cube over. These both already we completed as question number 5. Question number 5 and 7 are same. This is same. The question is write as a sum of odd numbers. That is also same. Find out the cubes without actual multiplication. This is on this one same. The question only seems different, but everything same. Sum of odd numbers and without actual multiplication mean the same thing. So we completed this in the classwork. That number is only again given. So this both finished. This is the homework sum. This is the homework sum. Round in the textbook, this A1 and B1 alone. This you will be doing. Applying the formula, you will be doing later. This is about exercise 4.1 completed. Brainwork sum is not needed in that. Next, cube root of a number. Similar to that of the cubes only. Finding the cube root by means of prime factorization. We must know this, very important. Then we can pause on to the exercise. Similar to that of the square roots only. 3 numbers. Cube root by prime factorization method. Page number 50, example sum. Any one example will do, that will do. 2744. This is the given number. Example sum, okay? Cube root by means of prime factorization. What is the process? I'll start here. 2744. When the number is ending in 5, I will use 5 table. When it's an even number, we should use the 2 table. Only prime numbers. 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, remainder 1 14, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. If you want, you divide separately and copy the quotient. 6 2s are 12, remainder 1 16, 8 2s are 16, remainder 1 here 12, 6 2s are 12. You must learn how to do directly, time saving one. So 2, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. 343. 343, I know that it will go in 7 table. 7 7 7, 7 cube. So I will use 7 here, right? By experience it comes. 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35 will not come. So 7 4s are 28. Remaining 6 remainder 63. 9 7s are 63. 4 sevens are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 6 is the balance. 6 combined with the 3 is 63. 9 sevens are 63. Again 7. 7 sevens are 49. Again 7. 1 7 are 7. Stop at 1. Now cube root. When I say cube root, you have to draw like this and write here 3. This is called cube root. Here we have to mention it is 3. Simply when we write, it is square root. It is understood like here 2 is here. If we write 3, it is called cube root. So here to mention, nicely I will mention. Here no place. 3. It's visible now, no? Okay. Cube root of these prime factors to write. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 1 no need to write. Is equal to cube root of 2, 2, 2, 2 power 3. 7, 7, 7, 7 power 3. Now the numbers, because chapter is cubes and cube roots, it must come in groups of 3. If it is coming like that, it's correct. This 3 and cube root gets cancelled. These both gets cancelled. And this 3 and cube root gets cancelled. Cubes and cube roots. Okay, gets cancelled. The number jumps out. The number jumps out. No root. The power 3 and cube root gets cancelled. Same like squares. Square and square root will get cancelled. If the numbers are in pair, that is square root. This is cube root. The numbers must come as 3, 3. If it is not coming as 3, it will not come out. Understood? 2 sevens are 14. Yes. The answer, it is a perfect cube. If the number is coming out like this, easily if we get a round whole number as an answer, this is the answer. 14, 14, 14, 14. 3 times when we multiply, we will get this number. 14 14s are something, some 196. 196 14s are when we do, we will get this number. So this way we have to proceed. This is the cube root method of prime factorization. Similar to that of the square root. There we used to take pairs and one number will jump out. Here we have to take as groups of 3 and one number will jump out. Understood clearly? Cube roots we have only 2 methods of finding. Ma'am, this is applicable only for writing in square roots to writing in the side. We have to do right. We have to find the prime factorization. We need to write. Same process. Square roots, we should not use this 3 and we should use the root alone. Cube roots, we need to use this. When the number jumps out, it comes like this. This is the procedure. Like this only to do. Cube root, we don't have long division method. Okay, we have only prime factorization. We don't have long division. Cube root by prime factorization, and second method is cube root by estimation. Estimating. Square root also we estimated. Between which 2 numbers it is sitting. 18 squared and 19 squared. Then estimating means approximately. We wrote using this symbol. Estimation we did know. Same estimation, cube roots also we have. That we will see after this. This understood this. Now using this one, we will do what is given in the exercise. Now what I did is the example sum. Let us see what is given in the exercise. We'll do that. Then we'll move to the estimation. I will teach that after this. Exercise 4.2. Question number 1. A, B, two sums are there. One I will do. 21952. A1, 1A. Find the cube root of the following numbers using prime factorization. This is the question. Let us start with the question. 21952. I will do the prime factorization this side and will copy here under the cube roots. Then we'll do the process this side. Okay, first prime factorization. 21952. Let us start. Even number. If you face difficulty in division doing directly, you should do separately. Rough column, you can copy the answer. 1 2s are 2, or I can say 10 2s are 20, remainder 1 19, 9 2s are 18, remainder 1 15, 7 2s are 14, remainder 1 12, 6 2s are 2. I use in my way how I get like that only, somewhat little bit faster, then only I will get. So 10 2s are 20, remainder 1 19, 9 2s are 18, remainder 1 15, 7 2s are 14, 1 remainder 6 2s are 12. So first we did by 2 table, then keep on, we must keep on doing. 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, 1 16, 8 2s are 16, 16 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are 9, 5 2s are 9, 4 4 5 4 8 8, again by 2. Even numbers, so easily by 2. 2 2s are 4, 14, remainder 1 14, 7 2s are 14, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Okay, now 2. Then 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 14, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 17, 8 2s are 16, 12, 6 2s are 12. Anything mistake means tell me. 16, 8 2s are 16, 1, 6 2s are 12. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. Yes. Once we get 343, it must struck in our mind. 3 is a odd number. Right. Sheikh Ali, what is the mistake? You might have left mistake. Here no mistakes. Now 343 is an odd number. It doesn't come in 2 table. So immediately we have to think of alternative only. 3 also it won't go. So 343, it must struck in our mind that, okay, 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are. 7 cube is 343. So 7. Okay, we must not use 2 2. Even number only 2, right? So 4 sevens are 28, 63, 9 sevens are 63. Last question also we did this. Again 7. 7 sevens are 49. So last this 7 is there. 7 ones are 7. The last step I wrote here, okay. Now I did by 2, again by 2, again by 2, 2, 2. Odd number. So I did by 7, again by 7. 7 sevens are 49, here 1 7. So that 7 only I wrote here. Don't say not visible. That 7 only I wrote. 7 sevens are 49 only. 1 sevens are 7. Now let us make this as together. Cube root of this 3 is a must. 1 2 3. This 3. 1 2 3. This 3. 1 2 3. This 7. These all will come together. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. If I write like this, it is easy. So we are making a group. Cube roots. 2 2 2 7 7 7. 1 no need to write. Okay. So 2 2 2 2 2 2 3 7 7 7. Cube root of 2 power 3. Steps are a must. Steps compulsory. It carries mark. 3 marks question it is. So 2 power 3, 2 power 3, 7 power 3. Now 3 and this gets cancelled. 3 and cube root gets cancelled. 3 and cube root gets cancelled. 2 will jump out. Only when they are in groups of 3 only it is possible, ma. Otherwise it's not possible. They are in groups of 3, so 3 and this gets cancelled. Number jumps out. This is 7. 2 2s are 4, 7 4s are 28. Answer. This number is the answer. Let me check. Yes. So 28 into 28 into 28 is this. Is this clear? This is about clearly doing the way of doing prime factorization, taking as groups, so that easy to write. Without bracket also you can write. Why we wrote? Because to count it is easy. For that I wrote 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, so that it is easy. Any doubts? Second sum is a B1, which will be given to you as a homework sum. Second question, use the method of estimation to find the cube root. For this, I must teach you what is estimation, how to estimate, example sum, then only we'll go to the this one, exercise sum. Simply we won't enter. After doing that only we'll enter. Exercise 4.1, 4.2. Only we have this much only. Super. Only 2 exercises. Reasoning here also. Review is there. Review sums are there. Prime factorization, that and all you can practice. So next process is about, yes. B sum you completed, very good. B sum will be given to you as a homework only. It will reach you according to your homework schedule. Continuously I am giving now. So that time you will get. Any problem with the homework, you tell me, we'll sort it out. If I do, I may get to know how it is coming. Okay. Next is about the estimation. Estimation, clearly I have to explain. The process lengthy one. Estimating the cube roots. Process is lengthy, so we will do in our next class only. So now what to do? Instead of sitting simply, you find this cube root of this number using prime factorization. Find out this using prime factorization. Find the cube root. Because we have 2 minutes. Estimation I will teach in the next class. This is using prime factorization. Easy. Do this and tell me. This side we will do, that side I will write. Chak-a-chak. If you complete, you can show me with your videos on. Fasil Ahmed, keep your notebook straight, ma. Keep notebook straight. Ah, yes, super. 17, 5, 5, 5, 17, 23. No, no. Check the prime factorization again. It's wrong. Sheikh Ali, yes. Sheikh Ali is correct. Yes. Correct, super. This is an example sum. Understood. That's what I know the answer. Salvia engine, correct. Little bit down. Show your notebook down. Salvia, yes. Super. 5 cube, 7 cube, yes. 5 sevens are 35. Example sum, page number 50. But they have not given the prime factorization, they didn't give. Okay. For me coming like this, for you coming like that, it's not like that, Harihara Sudan. All will get the same answer only. It may be Harihara Sudan, it may be Salvia, it may be myself, it may be Ashida, it may be anybody. Yes, super, correct. Associative property. Who is asking some other thing now? Trinity, what's the problem now? Do what I told you, prime factorization only, no? 5, 5, 5, 7, 7. It's an example problem. It is page number 50. We have to carry on using the 5, ending in 5. So doing by 5 table. 8 5s are 40, 28, 5 5s are 25, 37, 5 7s are 35, 25, 5 5s are 25. Again by 5. 1 5s are 5, 35, 7 5s are 35. 5 1s are 5, 25, 5 5s are 25. 3 5s are 15, 21, 4 5s are 20, 15, 3 5s are 15. 7, 49 7s are. 7 7s are 49, 7, 7 1s are 7. 1, 2, 3 forms a group, 1, 2, 3 forms a group. Cube root of 5 cube into, this 3 should write here, okay? 5 cube into 7 cube. 5 7s are 35 is the answer. Then example sum, page number 50. This one is not given in the example, so I gave you to do. Yes, Dhanumalia, correct ma. That's what I gave you. 5 5 5 to do, then 7 7 7 to do. Fasil Ahmad, check your answer with my answer. Cube root of 5 cube and 7 cube, 5 7s are 35. Correct means very good. Otherwise, correct it.
Lakshmi ma'am, time up ma'am.
Yes, yes ma'am.